Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome back to the Banking Help SA YouTube channel. This is how to link your bank account to Binance in South Africa. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, open the Binance app and sign into your account. From the home screen, select Add Funds. Next, choose Deposit ZAR. Then select Linked Payments. An option will appear asking you to link a bank account. Press Continue. Your bank account must be in your own name, since Binance only accepts deposits from bank accounts that match the name on your verified Binance account. Select the bank you bank with from the list. Enter your online banking username and password and then press Continue. Choose the bank account you want to link and after that press Confirm. You will now be asked to approve the request in your banking app. Follow the remaining prompts to authorize the connection. Binance will then verify your bank account. Once the verification has been completed, your bank account will be successfully linked to your Binance account. If you want to then make a deposit, all you need to do is return to your Binance home screen. Then click Add Funds. Press Deposit ZAR and after that choose Linked Payments. Enter the amount of money that you want to transfer. You will now see the transaction fee together with the amount that will be deposited into your Binance account. If everything looks correct, press Continue. You will then be redirected to the payment partner to complete the transaction. Follow the remaining prompts to complete the payment, and once the transaction has been processed successfully, the funds will be added to your Binance account. And that is it. That's how to link your bank account to Binance in South Africa. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Goodbye.